Alright guys, welcome to a brand new unboxing, and today's presentation we are going to take a look at two other brand new cars. Now I'm trying not to edit this video because I prefer not to. Anyways, so this is the fourth part, okay? So again, you get this over here. As always, if you didn't watch the previous parts, I'm going to let them on the description as well as on the comment section, okay? So that you guys won't miss anything. So as always, let's pick that. Okay, so I'll do it randomly. Okay, so we still have two cars. Okay, so this is the not the last review, the like before the last one. Okay, so let's keep it simple. I'm still really want to have the riveted. Okay, this guy. This one actually looks familiar. Wait, I think I know this car. I don't know the name. Let's see this guy. I think this one is like a Godzilla R, but I'm not sure. Let's open them. Okay, so we got this. Wait. Oh, okay, so I actually thought of the formula, but not. What's this guy? Formula flashback. Okay, so lots of open wheels cars. Yeah, you guys know that the open wheels cars has actually some problems. So let me put that over here. We'll review it later. Okay, so this is the sixth car. You put it like that, basically. Okay, let's me open this one. Hold on, I think I know this car. Oh, Crescendo! Oh yeah, this guy. Wait, doesn't have actually an open feature. I feel like it has open feature. Nope. But the thing is that this one can actually has a like moving feature. That's Crescendo, no? Oh, Cyberspeed. Yeah, so sorry. That's Cyberspeed. Yeah, beautiful car. Yeah, check it out. So let me start with Crescendo. So I really like the green, it really matches. We got the seat driver. You can see the driver itself. And then his co-pilot. Okay. So this is a feature, This is for the race and this is for the loop. But on the rear, it looks like a Lamborghini, but I'm not sure, you know. It's really nice and detailed. So yeah, beautiful. That's actually metal body plastic base. So I'm not sure if these are glow in the dark. I don't think so. Not like a School Crusher does. Anyways. Now for the Formula Flashback. Yeah, it's Formula Flashback, Carol Hot Wheels, and still suspension, open wheeled. Okay, this guy feels like so fast. Got 3 or 6 exhausts. Never see that in any like formula before. Anyways, so yeah, they're not actually like, sorry, but to me they're not actually that kind of interesting. But I'm not gonna say anything until the track, because first of all, Formula Flashback is an open wheel, so not really huge fan of that. And also, This one is new for 2016 or 2000, no, for 2018, I think. This guy is really, really new. I mean, you could see that, yeah, copyright 2017. So you see, and really, really good. It's a really great car, you know. But I'm not gonna say anything until we let that on another like racing video. Okay, so that's all what I wanted to say. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a big thumbs up. As always, if you haven't seen the previous videos or unboxing, make sure to go to the description below or the comment section. There you will find the links to previous episodes. And yeah, take care guys, see ya.